Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. But actually, we're cooking today. That's right, cooking with Jack and Pam. Now, by popular demand, not really popular demand, most of my cooking videos get little if any views. Seems like everybody watches the grief videos and the travel videos. But for those few that asked for a new cooking video, I got one for you. This one is quick and easy and delicious, but warning, warning, warning. It's really spicy. Yours truly, though, I like spice. We're going to be creating a chicken dish. It's going to be chicken cooked in a creamy Chipotle cream sauce. You're going to need a nice sized chicken breast. You're going to season up that chicken breast. In my case, I use an air fryer for the chicken breast. Cook it in there for about 20 minutes at about 400 degrees. Comes out golden brown. How do you make the Chipotle cream sauce? Start off with a black cast iron skillet or the skillet of your choice, some olive oil, and some garlic. We're going to chop up some onions. We're going to throw those onions in the oil. We're then going to add some salt, some pepper, some paprika. Cook those onions until they're almost translucent or almost caramelized. Then we've got a can of Chipotle peppers. Dump those out. Cut up your peppers. Throw those in with your onions. Then you're going to get a tub of, in my case, I use organic cream, actually sour cream that is. Dump that in with the onions and Chipotle peppers. And you're going to mix it around. It's going to get nice and warm. It's going to be just absolutely beautiful, golden, delicious. Then you're going to take that chicken breast that you cooked, pull it out, slice it up into some little slices. You're going to put those slices of chicken in that Chipotle cream sauce, let it simmer for a few minutes, and about 10 minutes later, serve it on a plate. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely delicious. Was that quick and easy enough? Hope you enjoy it. Again, chicken Chipotle cream sauce, or it's chicken cooked in a Chipotle cream sauce. You know what I'm saying. Hey, keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Check out my podcast. That's called Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. As we always say, make it a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now, and please watch the closing credits.